How to change your email address on Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Starbucks app. Whether you are updating to a new email or just fixing a typo, it's super simple. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the account icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on settings or the personal info. And there, once you're inside the personal info, you can just tap on the email address. And there, you'll see your current email. So tap it and delete the old one, and after that, type in your new email address. And once you've entered your new email, just hit save or update. And after that, you might be asked to verify the new email through a confirmation link sent to your email inbox. So here, if you don't get the confirmation email right away, be sure to check your spam or the promotion folder. And if you are still having issue, you can try logging out and back in or update the app to the latest version. And that's it. Now, by doing this, you'll be able to change your email address on the Starbucks app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.